You know what? Let's just skip the intro. I'm gonna get straight into this video. I went viral on TikTok. And when I say viral, I'm sure everyone has different definitions of viral, but here's mine. On Friday, August 7th, I had 3,249 followers. On Wednesday, August 12th, I had 71,000 followers. On Sunday, August 16th, I had 130,000 followers. Now, today, where's my phone? Where is my phone? Where did I put my phone? Is this something, am I being pranked? Is this actually a joke? Oh my God, I found it. It's under the bloody couch. Okay. Today is Saturday, the 29th of August, and I have 199,000 followers. What the fuck? As you'll see on the screenshot, I am very, very close to 200,000, and I am, like, that is bizarre. This has happened in the shortest time frame. In this video, I'm gonna give you a bit of a run through of like my TikTok story, how I came to getting this following, and a lot of my tips and tricks for you if you're wanting to try and go viral on TikTok. But firstly, I need to tell you something. I did not know this was gonna happen, but TikTok is getting monetized. And what I mean by that is that TikTok have come out with a creator fund, and they're basically gonna start paying creators to create content on TikTok. It's being rolled out in the US now, so if you're from anywhere in the world, now is the best time to start a TikTok. Now, the first thing to know when you sign up to TikTok is there's no surefire guarantee that you're gonna go viral, but every video that you upload to TikTok has the chance to go viral. I want you to keep that in the back of your mind every time you upload, because that's the reality of TikTok. You never know when a video is gonna go viral. For example, you could spend ages trying to perfect the perfect video, the lighting, the editing, the sounds, all of that, and you get 2 views. Whereas you could take a video of a bin and it go viral and get millions of views. The TikTok algorithm doesn't make sense. There is no way to guarantee a video is gonna go viral, but that's the best part of it. My biggest tip when it comes to TikTok is to post as much as you possibly can. When I first started, I was posting 1, maybe 2 videos a day. Then I built it up to like 4 a day. And there's some days now where I post up to 13 videos a day. It all depends on my workload, but I try and get out as much content as I possibly can. My next tip that I'm gonna share with you is to never delete a TikTok video. I deleted some videos ages ago. They just didn't really align with my goals and my niche and what I wanted on my TikTok, so I deleted them. And I don't know what goes on in the background of TikTok, but that definitely stuffed up my engagement. So I would highly recommend, make sure what you're putting out on TikTok you're happy with, and if you're not happy with it, don't delete it. Just leave it there. Do not delete it. My next tip is to engage as much as possible. TikTok definitely rewards creators that engage on the platform. So when you first sign up to TikTok, you're gonna have no followers. I highly recommend checking out some hashtags and following content creators that align with your goals. Interact with them, like their stuff, follow them, comment on their page, and you will find that your videos start to get more noticed, because I swear TikTok is watching that. They're seeing you do all that engagement, and they're gonna say, hey, you're putting in effort here, we're gonna send some traffic to you. I don't know what it is, don't quote me on that, but I swear it works. My last tip that I'm gonna share with you is do not stress over a video. If you upload a video and it gets no views, don't delete it and don't stress over it. Just upload another one. Keep uploading. You never know when a video you've uploaded could go viral. You could have a video that's been uploaded a month ago and randomly it gets picked up by the algorithm and it goes viral. You just never know. So don't stress, just keep posting as much content as you possibly can. I would recommend TikTok to absolutely everyone. If you have a business or a business idea, or you're wanting to build a personal brand, or maybe you just have a passion that one day you would love to monetize, you should be on TikTok building a following around that. I think a lot of people get really overwhelmed with how to post stuff, how do I film, how do I upload, how do I do all the little things within TikTok, and it's really not hard. But in my ebook that I've created, I run you through all the different features of TikTok, exactly how I do my uploading, how I do my filming, how I edit, absolutely everything, and I'm there to help you along your TikTok journey. The link to my ebook is in the description below. I highly recommend checking it out. And once you purchase the ebook, you also get access to a private Facebook group where I film videos that include screen recordings of me showing you exactly what I do. I'm gonna talk to you now about my TikTok story and how I came to using the platform and yeah, giving you a bit of an overview of that. So back in March 2020, my home state in Australia had gone into lockdown due to the coronavirus. Now, I'm not really someone who can sit still. I'm always very busy, and back in March, when Corona really kicked off, I'd just come home from Bali. So I'd been on holidays, was kind of ready to work, and then Corona hit and I had to close my businesses. So I was kind of bored, which then leads to TikTok. I decided to download TikTok as a way to fill my boredom, kind of. I went cleaning mad when Corona hit. I was doing cleaning time lapses, I was doing puzzle time lapses, I was baking, but mainly I was cleaning. And I love doing time lapses, so I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna upload. I created a random account on TikTok and I started posting my cleaning time lapses. And I didn't really think much of it. I thought, I'm just gonna put it out there. I'd heard a lot about TikTok being unsaturated, and I thought, we'll just see how it goes. And I reckon one of my first videos, I woke up one morning and I had 10,000 views. And I was like, what? Like, have I gone viral? Pretty soon after that, I kind of got sick of the app. I wasn't really using it. I was getting busier in my day-to-day life. So I was like, yeah, I didn't really use the app at all. Then end of April came around, and that's when I sort of started to do YouTube. And I thought, you know what? If a video of me doing a time lapse can get 10,000 views, what if I created my own TikTok under my own name and was able to funnel some of that TikTok following to my YouTube videos, which would help me reach my goal of getting monetized on YouTube. So that's what I did. I started a TikTok account, Celia.Gurkovic, and went from there. My second video did really well. I think it had like 10,000 views or 12,000 views in the first 48 hours that I posted it. I don't know what it's got now because the numbers are all quite skewed because I have grown my following so much, and a lot of my following go back and watch my old videos. But this is what I needed to see. Like, I needed to see that TikTok could work for me and help me reach my 2020 goals, because I could funnel that TikTok traffic to my YouTube or my Instagram page. From back in April till August 7th, I just continued posting. I started doing like day in my life mini vlogs and sharing a bit more about my businesses and what I do and how Corona's affected me and my history of my businesses, all that sort of stuff. I just started sharing little snippets of it on TikTok. Then on August 7th, I had a video that went viral. What I mean by viral is, I think now the video has over 10 million views. I'll go into it and I'll bring it up. All right, if I go in and I'll find the video that went viral. You know, sometimes TikTok can be kind of glitchy, but we'll keep scrolling. I did a giveaway on TikTok. That was really cool. I post a lot, which is one of my tips. Right here, 10.1 million views. If I click on this video, I'm gonna turn my sound down. It's had 2.2 million likes and it's got over 2,000 comments. This video blew me up. My following skyrocketed. I'll insert some stats now, but you can see on that graph my followers jumped massively, and it's continuing to grow every single day. Not only did my followers on TikTok grow, but my YouTube watch hours grew, and so did my subscribers. At the start of August, I had 544 subs and 821 watch hours. Now, today being August 29th, my current stats that I checked this morning, I have 1,560 subscribers and 1,370 watch hours. That is in the space of 29 days. Like, that is crazy. My Instagram following has also jumped. So I can't remember the exact date, but I know the number that I remember in my head was like 1,100 followers on Instagram. Now I have over 3,600. Like, TikTok is amazing. If you're watching this video, whatever time it is, go into my TikTok and tell me in the comments below how many subscribers I have whilst you're watching this video. As I said at the start, I highly recommend TikTok to absolutely everyone. It's not just for 16-year-old kids that can dance. TikTok is an incredible way to learn new things as well. Some of the hashtags that I follow are marketing tips, influencer tips, PR tips, all these different things that you can learn from different creators on TikTok. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comments below. The link to my ebook is in the description below, and I know that the book and the Facebook page are really going to help you navigate TikTok and get the absolute most out of it. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.